If you have ever used Word with the need of adding some images along the text, I am sure you had a hard time grasping the logic behind it. Well, it is simple. We just need to tell Word the level of the picture compared to the text. Let's add an image as an example. As expected, Word tried to place the image and tried to fit the text near it, which is not what we want. So, under Picture Format, we need to click Wrap Text and send the image behind the text. This way, we have a chance to place the image wherever we want on the document. But the thing is, since the image is now behind the text, it gets harder to select it. So, we go to Select and click Select Objects, which lets us to select the image easily. We can now place the image where we want it to be independent of the text.